Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Dakota and I have the ultimate Valentine's Day gift just for you. It is a big box of Posh. Pampering with a purpose. Self-care isn't selfish. It's necessary. You're amazing and you deserve to spend time focusing on you. You deserve it is the whole purpose of Posh. It's really good ingredients in fun packaging and it's affordable, and this is the best deal going right here. Let's talk about it a little bit. So when you treat yourself to this giant box, you're getting an awesome value. It's $99, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products for $99 and a built-in discount for life. How about that? So let's talk about this. We've got the Sassy Yuma body wash, citrus body gel. It's mildly exfoliating. Citrus is proven to boost your mood. Everyone needs that, right? What a great way to start your day. Also, starting your day with some BFF face wash. These two together, wash your body, wash your face. You are going to have the best day ever, every day, because the peppermint in this wakes you up, the bright citrus and boost your mood. It is just amazing. You also get a moisturized 911 for your face. Both the face wash and the moisturizer, you only use a pea-size amount. Each tube lasts a really long time, like 4 or 5 months, 6 months, it depends. But it is so good. Do not bark, my dog's behind me. Now, what else? You get a body lotion called Honey Honey. This is one of our top sellers. It's got honey in there and lots of other goodness that heals fine micro tears in the skin and leaves you very moisturized without feeling greasy. Another thing that does not leave you feeling greasy is our hand cream. You get a Show Me What You're Mermaid of juicy melon and coconut hand cream. You also get a bar of soap if you prefer that, or you can share it with a friend. Brazilian Bombshell. It's nutty and fruity and a little vanilla, so good. Another fun shower product you get, this is special in our kit this month, the face wash moisturizer for your face, and these sugar cubes are a body scrub. They're a peppermint sugar cube body scrub. And these are special extras in the kit this month, so how cool is that? You also get the Ultimate Posh product, a must-have for everybody, called the Healer Skin Stick. Everyone needs a Healer Skin Stick. They use it on your chapped nose, chapped lips, cuts, burns, scrapes, everywhere. It's great for eczema. One of our best products ever. So you get all of that. It's worth like $145, I think, for only $99. Plus you get a built-in discount for life. How amazing is that? Now, if you choose to share some of these products with some friends, you get a free website, and if they order on your website, you get paid on their orders. But you do not have to share. It's totally up to you. So I wanted to show you, there's the samples. You get 20 right back at you face wash samples. It's a face wash and face mask all in one. And this is really great for dry skin or oily skin, pimply skin. It's a skin resetting formula, so it just restores balance to your skin, whatever's going on. So good. So if you're interested in this, I would love to talk to you if you have any questions. There's really no catch. You can get yourself a big box of Posh at a great deal, get yourself a discount, start a business if you want to, make some extra money. How great would it be to have an extra $50, $100 a month? That is so doable by just sharing what you love. You use the products, you talk about it a little bit, share some samples, and people just fall in love with it. They want to buy it. And if you want to grow it into something bigger, we can do that too. I've been doing this for 4 years. I did not plan on making this a business, and it's just evolved into one. I've learned a lot of tricks along the way, so whatever you want this to be, I am here to coach you and help you do that. So any questions, pop them in the comments below. I'm going to put a link down here too where you can click and sign up. I'll also put my email address. If you have questions, please send me an email and we can talk it over. All right, I hope that you splurge, treat yourself. You deserve it. All right, bye.